I don't go on. I can't go in.
Are we gonna tell them or what?
We have a mystery tackle.
Mystery tackle box time. Seems like it's been forever, doesn't it? This is February 2020s. Good job. So, we're gonna get this done as quick as we can, huh? Alright. Ooh, that's cool.
Football player.
Oh, okay. Let's change that up. Okay, let's try that again. That's a pretty sweet sticker. Football player. The dibble. What's in your box? Alright, buddy. Let's get to it. What's the first one?
Reaction Strike XRM.
How much?
$9.99.
Reaction Strike XRM. Ooh. Sweet. Dives 2 to 4 feet. Reaction Strike XRM 80. I bet that'll work. You think? Ghost French Pearl, it says. A couple little numbers in there. $10 for that, though. Yowza. Okay, what's next?
Carl's Amazing. No.
That's a tough word.
Tastic Swim Bait Boot Tail.
Castaic Swimbait Boot Tail. $9. Oh, that's cool looking. This is a blue shad 4-inch swim bait. Already got the hooks in it. Set up for another hook in the bottom, looks like. Cool. $9 for that. What's next?
Carl's Amazing Baits Shiver Crank.
A shiver crank. Dives 6 to 10 feet. Alright. A little deeper diver. Moonlight shad. That's cool. We'll take that one out. So we can actually see the colors. Ellie's coming to see what we're doing. That's cool. Nice colors on that. Sweet. How much is that? $7. Alright, what's next?
Z-Man TRD Hogs.
Z-Man TRD Hogs. I like me some Z-Mans. Green pumpkin. Kind of looks like little creature bait. Green pumpkin, that's good color, obviously. Looks kind of like crawdad a little bit. Sticky. I like these Z-Man stuff. These work well on our little pond. Got some nice big bass on these. Not these exact kind, but
hey,
Z-Man stuff. Alright, what's next? How much are these, Joe?
$4.99.
I'd buy these for $4.99.
$5.
$4.99. I'd buy these all day for $4.99. Alright, what's next?
Molluck's Nano Jig.
A what?
Molluck's Nano Jig.
Molluck's Nano Jig. How much? $4.49? Ooh, that's a little jig.
Ooh, that
3/16 ounce. Looks like blue crawl. I bet that'll work. Sweet. $4.50. Okay, what's next?
Penetration hooks. E hooks. W keeper.
penetration hooks. Penetration?
Penetration.
I mean, that's kind of what it looks like. $3.75. We got 3 nice hooks in there. 5-inch stick bait, 3/0. Okay. That's new. Okay. $3.75 for them. One more.
Excite Baits Ubershed.
Excite Baits Ubershed. This and that's the color. Baby Ubershed. Quicksilver. High floater, it says. That's pretty cool. That'll work. I'd use that. I'm gonna use that. Well, that's all we got. Again, another good box. Happy with that. Aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. You got anything you want to tell them?
No.
Nothing to tell them today. Alright, well, we appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, especially liking the video. That really helps us out on YouTube. Gets our video to be viewed a little more. So we would greatly appreciate that. But if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. We do this once a month. I also try to do the hunting videos, things like that, as much as I can, when I can, if I can. So we appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.